Well, it's IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. Let's start with you. Are there any old buildings in your hometown?
Yeah, I have seen many buildings. I belong to Gujranwala Kent, and there are many historic buildings of Pakistan Army. And I think my school is also a historic building, and I like to see uh, or visit these buildings.
Okay, that's good. Would you like to live in a new, latest building or old building?
Uh, yeah, currently I am living in a latest building. Recently, we have constructed our new home, and we have shifted, uh, I think, around 3 years before.
Okay, all right. So, do you think we should preserve or we should conserve old buildings or we should protect old buildings?
Definitely, if we can, you can say that in foreign countries they fix or set a specific time in which we can use this building. But in Pakistan, there is no life,
Okay.
and we should improve the.
All right. So let's go on. One last question. Do you prefer going to the museum?
Yeah, I have visited in my childhood
Okay.
with my father in Lahore Museum,
All right.
and later on I have never ever visited any museum.
That's good. Overall, it's good. You just need to make yourself familiar with IELTS speaking topics.
Yeah.
Your sentence structure is fine, but you need to do a lot of practice. You'll be okay. Okay, let's go
Thank
on. Thank you. It's your turn. Do you like going to the cafes, cafeterias?
Yes, I like to go to cafeterias. Often, normally, I go to cafeterias with 2 or 3 days in a week with my friends. So the answer to your question is I like to go to cafes.
Okay. What do you usually eat or drink when you go to any cafe?
Normally, drink coffee, off and on I also take beverages of different kinds and tea also. But my favorite is the coffee one.
Okay. Do you prefer to go to the cafe alone or with your friends?
Normally, I go with my friends because it's more fun. Because whenever I go alone, I do not enjoy that moment. But so that's why I like to go with my friends.
Okay. Do you think cafeterias are appropriate places to study?
I think these areas are not appropriate for the studies because there are a lot of people who came there
Who
for
come
fun, who
there?
come there for the fun, not for studies. So I think it's not good for study.
Okay, so overall your answers are fine. Your understanding of the questions is also good, but just try to elaborate more. Try to add a couple of sentences in your answers, then they'll be fine, right?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.